Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Teachable affiliate program step by step clearly. To activate the Teachable affiliate program, start by logging into your Teachable account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the admin panel. On the left-hand side, find and click on the Affiliate tab. Next, select the Settings option under the Affiliate tab. Here, you will see the option to enable the affiliate program. Toggle the switch to activate the program. Once activated, you can customize your affiliate program settings. Set the commission rate for your affiliates. Decide on the cookie duration for tracking sales. Next, add your payment information to ensure affiliates are compensated. You can also create promotional materials for your affiliates to use. This might include banners, text links, or other marketing resources. After setting up the materials, move to the Affiliates section. Here, you can invite potential affiliates to join your program. You can either send individual invitations or create a sign-up link. Once affiliates create their accounts, they will automatically be added to your program. Keep track of their performance through the stats provided in the affiliate dashboard. Monitor sales generated by each affiliate to evaluate their impact. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to provide support and resources. This will help foster a productive relationship and encourage more sales. Now you are ready to manage and grow your Teachable affiliate program effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.